If you are looking for the latest in dental technology, affordable prices and fast turnaround implants or crowns, then don't miss the Expat Open House at Thonburi Bamrungmuang's Digital Dental Centre. This is the only fully advanced digital dental centre in Bangkok. On June 6 and 7, members of Thailand's expat community are invited to be the centre's special guests and enjoy free dental consultation by the team of dental specialists. Special guests will receive open house gifts and limited discounts. Expats are welcome to just turn up on June 6 or 7. You can also book in advance for a special free consultation.